Welcome back. In previous session, we spoke about the stack theoretically and how the what are the operations we can do on the stack, like push, pop, on top of the element, like top or peak, and size, and also we can check is empty or not. So these are the operations we can do. We already spoke about this in previous session in theoretical part. Now we will talk about how to implement stack using Golang, and also we'll discuss operations and its time complexity as part of this session. Okay, so in here package main, and now what we will do is we'll try to create uh, a stack struct. Okay, and we also will implement an items inside the stack of slice type integer. Okay, this is about the stack. Okay, and what are the operations we can do here is we can do the push operation. Push operation first we discussed, and push operation will take of one time complexity, constant time complexity, right? Time complexity. Okay, so how to implement this in a Golang? What we will do is we can write the func s is just of type stack. Okay, and we'll try to do the push operation, and it will take an item of type integer, right? That's it. This is just one operation. We will try to add this element uh, yes dot. We will append actually at the end. Okay, append items comma item. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So next operation, what we'll do is pop operation. We spoke about this pop operation also take of one time complexity, right? Also of one time complexity. Okay. So here again we'll write a func of type stack, right? And just it will pop. We can return an element also, whatever element we are returning here, probably integer, and also we'll see error also. Okay, sorry. So these two things we will try to do that. Okay, assume that while popping element, if the stack is empty. Okay, uh, in this case, what we will return is return 0. Also, we will return the error. Okay, errors dot new, and with the message stack is empty. Okay, okay, and if you find an element, then just get that element from the items. Basically, the top element, that is length of s items minus 1. Just one operation, right? With one, there is no loops, nothing here. And then we'll try to s elements we can assign to s dot items of just from 0 to uh, 0 to length of s dot items minus 1. Okay, and then since we found that value here, we'll return the item, and error will be nil, since we are not seeing any uh, any problem here actually. That's why we'll send that. Okay. So next operation what we talk about is uh, like a top element, right? Okay. Let us uh, top or peak operation actually. Anything is fine. This operation also will take O of one time complexity. Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do is func of yes stack top element. Okay. This again like it will return int comma error. Okay. If length of s dot items equal to 0, same thing. We have to return element value 0 and error will be we have to return errors stack is empty. Okay. Otherwise, what we need to do is we just need to return top element. This is again straightforward. Return s dot items of okay length of s dot items minus 1 command it. That's it. Top the top. What other operation we spoke about is empty or not, right? Func again. This also is empty. Is also like this operation also will take of one time complexity. Okay. So here actually func s star stack is empty. It will return boolean. Just check it out. Return um, length of s dot items equal to 0, right? If it is empty, that is 0. Otherwise, it will return true. Other last one we need to check is size of the stack. Size method, right? Size operation is not operation, just a method to get the. This also will take over one time complexity. Okay. So here func stack star s star stack. Okay. Size it will take nothing and it will return integer. Okay. Return length of s dot items. That's it. Okay. Let us see like all operations how we can we covered all the operations basically push pop pick or top and empty and size, right? Now let us try to implement main method to check all these operations. So just create oops. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. So just create a stack. Okay. Once you create a stack, just try to push 10 s dot push 9. Now try to just try to print actually what actually we have some Print just S. We'll see what happens. The beauty of Golang is you can print the values also very straightforward. Go run main. Okay, if you see 10 and 9 are there, right? Okay, perfect. Now let us try to test the method empty dot println the top of the stack is uh, s dot top. Oh, it is crying. Okay, top of the stack is actually we can say mm, value comma error is equal to s dot top. Okay, we can try to append value here. Okay, error probably we can ignore. If you want, we can try to print error also. Let us see what happens now. Sorry guys. We can ignore error now. For now, we'll talk about that. Yeah. If you see the currently top of the stack is 9, right? 9. We saw this. This is the top value. This is the last we pushed actually. And top is done. Now what we will do is we'll try to pop an element. What is the operation pop we can do here? It also returns integer and that one, right? So what we will do is we'll try again like v comma equal to s dot pop. Okay, fmt dot println pop element is comma v. Okay, now in this case also it will in this case also it should return 9. Actually 9 should be printed in both the classes. Oops. Go run main dot go, right? So top element also this, popped element also this. And after this, if you try to print the entire stack, we have only one element remaining now. That should be taken care now, right? If you see only one element we have. Top element is 9. We popped that element. Now it is one element. It is 10. Okay. We tested push, top, pop, right? Let us test the size also. Yes, dot size. What is the size now? It is 1 or 10, right? It is actually 1, correct? Size also returning integer, correct? Now let us check is empty also. Is empty also, we'll check it out. Right, it is not empty. That's why it is returning false. Now let us try to print. Let us try to pop. Let us pop that one as dot pop, and then try to print these two things again after popping. Okay. Let us see what it will print. Clearing that. I'm hoping this text is visible. If you see this after popping the element at last, we can see 0 and true, right? Let us see what is the value we are getting here, and also we'll try to handle error here. Okay. So now what we will do is we'll try to print this error. Fmt dot println error dot error. When we will print if this error is not null. If error is not, sorry, not equal to nil, then print this one. Okay. Otherwise that's okay. Okay, this value anyway not required. Let us see. So if you see that mm, okay, error. Okay, one element already there, right? Again, we'll try to, one element is popped here. Again, we'll do one more time, then this will be coming. Okay. Okay, let us see now. Sorry for that. Yeah, now if you see stack is empty when I try to pop the empty stack actually. So as part of this, we covered all the operations of the stack like push, pop, top, and is empty, and also size. And also we verified all operation, and also we discussed about time complexity of each operation. That's it about this practical solution of stack as part of this session. Thank you.